Mumford Sons.
I really fucked it up this time.
So I'm not going to do a video about Mumford Sons, but in the wedding industry there is a thing called a Mumford Sons style band, and that phrase is used a lot. But what does it mean? Basically means a folk style band which play pop bangers, old classics, party tunes, but in a folk style.
She's electric. She's in a family full of eccentrics.
And that sort of style band is ideal for festival weddings, boho style weddings, vintage style weddings, and it's kind of cool. So if that's the thing you're looking for, I found the perfect band for you. Recently uploaded to the Bandtube website. They have a great feel with violin and acoustic instruments, great lead singer, a fantastic selection of songs, but all done in their own folky style. If that's your thing, or you know someone who's having a wedding like that, get them to check out the website, bandtube.co.uk. The name of the band will be here. And again, don't forget to follow the page.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, don't say it 'cause I know I'm cute. Oh baby, blew it down to my drawers, they'll be all on my shoes. Oh baby, I've been dripping so much sauce, struck girl.